Hi guys, and before we get started, it's also important to understand that you need to have a little bit of knowledge foundation to do this DeFi 201 course. We recommend firstly to complete the Decentralized Finance 101 course before diving deeper into Decentralized Finance 201. Also, we will start yield hacking and flash loan programming, and for that you need to have a basic understanding of blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solidity, and trading strategies. So we recommend you to first follow the following courses before diving deeper into Decentralized Finance 201. Please follow the Decentralized Finance 101 course. And if you follow the Decentralized Finance 101 course, you can probably keep up with the first part of this course. At the end of this course, we're going to do some programming and we're going to dive a little bit deeper into some more complex topics. To follow up with that, I would recommend you guys to follow Ethereum Smart Contract Programming 101, Blockchain and Bitcoin 101, Algorithmic Trading and Technical Analysis. In the description below, you can find the links to those courses, and I would highly recommend to do these first before starting this course. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.